Solve this equation. To solve the equation, we can rewrite it in a more standard form. Rearranging gives us this implies we can separate the variables. Next, we will integrate both sides. The right-hand side becomes
Now let's focus on the left-hand side.
To integrate, we can use partial fractions or substitution. Rewrite it as follows. Solving for a and b will be complex. Thus, we can switch to solving it directly. Using substitution, putting it all together. This gives you an implicit relationship between x and y. Exponentiating both sides yields the general solution. Thus, the solution to the differential equation is this is a representation of the solution, where c is a constant.